काल 25 राती आमकां एक इन्फॉर्मेशन आयलें की एक नायजेरियन नॅशनल वो ड्रग कन्सायनमेंट घेवन आमचे एरियेन नियर फॅटफीश रेस्टॉरंटा कडेन येवपाचो आसा म्हणून. अकॉर्डिंगली आमी थंय गेले विथ माय स्टाफ आनीक वी ट्राय टू इंटरसेप्ट द स्कूटर विच वेर ही वॉज ट्रॅवलिंग वीथ. However, he threw the scooter and he ran in the fields. We all chased him for quite a long distance and we overpowered him. And thereafter, he volunteered that he is having the drugs in his possession. Accordingly, raid was conducted. We could attach about charas out about 1,20,000, ganja about 30,000. And we have attached the scooter also on which he was traveling. The name of the accused is Joe Nama and Zema, age 31 years. He told that he is Nigerian national.